Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to do the camel stitch. So in order to do the camel stitch, you're always going to be working into half double crochet. So here you'll see that I have a row of half double crochet. So one of the things about the half double crochet that I like and what makes the camel stitch possible is that if you look at the back, you'll notice that in addition to having these V's at the top, and these V's are, pretty standard with crochet, that's what you would normally work into, with the camel stitch, we'll be working into this loop at the underneath those V's, this loop underneath. So another name for the camel stitch is the lower loop half double crochet. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to finish this row by doing a turning chain as per usual, and we'll get started. So we're going to be working into this loop here where my right thumb is, and we're just going to do a half double crochet into there. So we'll yarn over, and we're going to go ahead and we'll actually start here at the first one of the row. Let me adjust the camera here. Alright, there's a good focus. So I'm going to go ahead and yarn over as I've done, and I'm going to work into that loop. Then I'm going to yarn over again. I'm going to draw up a loop. I've got 3 loops on the hook, as you can see. I'm going to yarn over again, and I'm going to go through all 3 loops. Let's do that a couple more times. So remember, we're working not into the normal V's as we would with regular crochet. We're going to be working into these loops underneath, right? The lower loop. So I'm going to go ahead and yarn over. I'm going to insert the hook into that lower loop, yarn over again, pull up a loop. Now I've got 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again, go through all 3 loops. Do that again, yarn over, go into that lower loop, go into just the lower loop, yarn over again, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, go through all 3 loops. Do it again, we'll yarn over, we'll go through that lower loop, yarn over, draw up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, through all 3 loops. So one of the characteristic things about this stitch and why it is called the camel stitch is that if you turn the work over, you'll notice that it creates these raised rows. I'm going to call these raised camel rows. You'll see this a lot in my patterns. So if you were to finish that, what you'll end up with is fabric that looks like this, right? So this fabric has a lot of these raised rows all the way along. Flip it over, same thing on the reverse. It's both sides. So that is the camel stitch. Thank you.